Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook watch video icon tab missing. So as you guys can see at the bottom, I don't have a video watching tab. Now let me show you how you guys can fix this issue. So for this you need to click on your Facebook menu icon at the bottom right of your screen first, and from over here scroll a bit down and click on settings and privacy. From inside settings and privacy, you want to click on the settings option. Now once you're in the settings page, scroll a bit down and under the preference tab, you will see the navigation bar option. Click on navigation bar option. From over here at the top, click on customize the bar. Once you're inside customize the bar, you can see the option called video. And on your video at the side, it's going to show you an option. It might be in auto, it might be in hidden. But what you want to do is click on the arrow right beside video and make sure it's on pin. Because if you click on pin, then as you guys can see, the video option just appeared at the bottom. And like that, you can get the video option. You can click on the video option and start watching video on Facebook. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.